Hi guys, it's Miss Petru again. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hi. Okay, back again. All right, so I'm gonna talk about our Wednesday lesson for math and the activity that we're gonna do. We're gonna compose or put together shapes to make three-dimensional figures, okay? So the first thing we're just gonna kind of start with is looking at some 3D shapes. You are gonna do a match. So you're gonna look at some names of 3D shapes and look at the shapes and then match them the best that you can. It's just a practice, okay? That piece of paper is going to look like this, okay? So all you have to do is just draw a line. So you have to find me a cylinder, draw a line to it, a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a rectangular prism. That is not a cube, okay? So just practice with that and turn it into Miss Petru. Okay, so after that, we are going to look at a list of attributes or characteristics that can describe some 3D figures, okay? So 3D figures have length, that's how long it is, width, how wide it is, and height, how tall it is, okay? So actually, I wanted to show you a real example. This is my daughter's book, The Dork Diaries, and this is a 3D shape, okay? So look, it has a length, how long it is. Look, from this side to this side is how long the book is. How wide it is from side to side, that's how wide, okay? And how tall it is, if I put it up and I want to measure the height of it, okay? So again, length, width, and height, okay? So all 3D shapes have those three things, okay? And then Miss Petru even shows you an example here. 3D figures have faces. So right here, this front part, this is a face. I'm gonna draw on my computer again. Look at the face, okay? So here is the face of my book. This part right here is the face, okay? We have edges, sorry. This is an edge. This is an edge, okay? There's lots of edges. So on my real life example, here is an edge, okay? Look, here is another edge. Here is another edge to the book. And here is another edge to the book. And there's some more too, okay? I'm not showing you all of them right now. And then we have those vertices, those corners right here, okay? Look, in my real world example, my book has a lot of corners. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's gonna be some on the bottom, okay? All right, so now, let Miss Petru erase. Okay, guys. So the next part of the activity is we are going to think of some figures that we can make with these attributes, okay? So this figure is gonna have 6 faces. It's gonna have 8 vertices, and it's gonna have 12 edges, okay? And this is what the shapes look like that make the 3D shape this is talking about, okay? So look, it's got like 3 rectangles and 2 squares. Okay, so now it's gonna ask us, what shape is that? Okay, now, Miss Petru gave you a chart to help you with that, okay? I know that was gonna be a little bit hard to do by yourself, so I gave you this guy. So you're gonna look at this chart to help you. Now, which 3D shape has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges, okay? And it's gotta have those shapes, those rectangles and those squares. Let me go back and look. Oh, I see it. Look, 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and look, there's a rectangle on the top, on the bottom, This guy does have some rectangles on the side, but that's the closest one. So we're going to go back. There it is. A rectangular prism, okay? So what you will do to turn in is you are going to use these shapes. So this shape right here and this shape right here. I want you to draw me what shapes make that 3D figure, okay? So for example, I see a triangle makes this shape. There's a triangle in the back. And then I want you to finish what other shapes make that 3D figure, okay? Then I want you to finish with this sentence. I am thinking of a three-dimensional figure that has, do it like we did up at the top. It has 6 faces. That was for the prism. But for this new shape, how many faces does this have? I want you to finish your sentence. I want you to tell me how many vertices it has, like we did up at the top. And then I want you to count how many edges it has, and I want you to finish the sentence like that. So you're going to do a sentence for this shape, and then draw the shapes that make the 3D figure. And you're going to do one for the cube also, okay? All right, if you have any questions, just email me. Talk to y'all later, guys. Bye.